Game time.
Everyone,
How
come
do I
here.
I'm really
screen record
excited
again?
to have
Wait,
this
no,
message.
OBS. If you don't
I
have OBS,
feel
then
like
I'm not gonna help you
very-
download it right now.
Yeah.
Hello,
No.
everybody. Ooh, look at that.
That is beautiful.
I think he needs that
Wow.
lever to start the fireworks.
That's really
Hey, I need that. I
insane.
kind of need that for
He
the
needs-
I
fireworks.
love
He needs that lever
I
for
love
the
this
fireworks.
stage. We don't use this enough, honestly.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll ever use it again.
Jeff
to
made
be
it.
honest.
Windows Alt R.
Yeah,
Maybe if there's like another event, but that would
Yeah,
Yep.
maybe.
yeah.
So what
This
are
is a
what's
pretty
the
nice stage,
entertainment,
though.
Chase?
The entertainment. Carson was gonna do some entertainment.
No, what's the games you said
Oh,
we were
the
gonna
games. Okay, we're gonna play some
Yeah.
musical chairs right here. Everybody sit around me in a circle. All the way around. All the way around. Colin,
Wait.
can I
you're-
be a chair?
No, no. Come on, Duckcraft. Come on.
Hold on.
Dude, stop eating. It's annoying.
Bro,
Wha-
what?
Ooh!
Whoa, what is this guy doing? Everybody.
Take your block.
Okay, everybody. Are you
Okay,
ready
now
to
I'm
start?
screen recording.
Duckcraft, sit right here.
Thanks. Now I have 31 iron blocks.
Why? Did you only want 30?
No, I just have 31.
Okay,
It's very-
I'm gonna
Oh yeah,
start.
they're
Okay.
they are 100%.
Oh wait,
yours.
we're doing duck, duck, goose, by the way. Okay,
Give
ready?
me.
Duck.
They are.
Wait.
Duck, 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 goose.
Oh.
I'm glad to go.
Oh, I can't tell what's happening.
What?
I win. You go now.
Hey.
Liam, sit down.
Yeah, you have to sit down. It's not
Oh.
fair.
Sit. What?
Bro.
I'm not sitting. Sit.
Bro,
What
that's
the-
a juice. Oh, I gotta join.
Bro,
Go
Bro, I
go.
gotta
Come on,
join.
sit down, sit down.
Bro,
Dude,
stop
stop
hitting
Who
him.
keeps hitting him?
Punch him and then he sits down. Away.
Come on, Carson, sit down.
I can sit next to my
Duck.
baby Carson.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Duck. Duck.
He is a duck.
Duck.
I am.
That's what I was thinking.
Alright, attention. Bro,
Show
okay.
us
You
the
are my
abs.
lady.
Isn't Colin supposed to be the one up
This
there?
is my
nighttime.
all-pro performance here. You guys may have seen this previously
Carson, it's
at the
nighttime.
talent show.
It's
Hi,
muscles.
But this is your entertainment. This will be a quick entertainment, and then we'll watch the fireworks after.
guys.
Oh,
Bro, who has the phantoms?
Yo, go, go. When was the last time you
go the
slept?
Phantoms first. Wait.
When's the last time you slept, Go?
Sleep.
Just do it.
No, don't
Just
sleep,
do it,
don't
just
sleep.
do it.
Just do it.
Sleep.
Go.
Oh, wait, we
do
can't
your
sleep.
thing.
Do
Alright,
your
guys,
thing.
you guys ready?
Yes.
Big boy Cave Dude up here is
Bro,
about
he's
to
so
show
hot.
you his
I mean,
workout.
I mean.
One.
It's
Ow!
gonna be so hot.
Count with me. 2,
2,
3,
Three.
Oh my god.
4,
5,
5,
6,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9, 10,
Alright, how far should we go?
11, 12, 13,
40.
40,
Oh, he's so powerful.
15,
And
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yay! Alright.
What would you say to the
21.
firework?
30 represent what?
Okay. Colin, you go first.
Can I bring
Exciting.
Cave Dude MC and
Guys, you like my shield?
Craft up to
like
the
my
stage,
shield?
please? Okay,
You guys like my shield?
Shut up.
You guys like my shield?
Thank you, Duckcraft, for
Yes,
helping me with
I
the
like your shield.
pyrotactics.
Oh, thank you guys.
And thank you, Cave Dude, for that brilliant performance. Just
Oh, you're very
spectacular.
welcome. You're very welcome.
guys, the sun's gonna come up
Fine,
soon.
just be quiet.
Fine, we're
Alright.
fine.
Ah!
Okay,
Well, I mean, Chase, you want to tell him?
okay, everyone, thank you for coming today, and I can tell that we all have had a blast.
What is happening?
Yeah.
Hey!
We survived that!
Oh my god.
Was that it? alive!
He's still alive!
Hacker, he's actually hacking.
No.
There's no
He
way
logged
he's
out!
gonna survive.
He logged out, I knew it!
He is cheating.
The whole reason we put this festival together was to kill Goko, the one player, and we failed. How? How did he not die to this TNT? TNT King shot him with 3 fireworks multiple times, and he didn't die after taking a bunch of TNT damage. It just didn't make sense.
It's because he
No,
knows
but I
that
was looking
he's my
forward to
boss.
fight people. You know
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
This is like the
But I'm
3rd
not-
time I've come here to fight someone.
Ban him.
I'm
Just
not-
don't
I'm
be
not-
banned.
I'm
not
summoning a
giving
wither.
Brandon's so
Yeah.
stupid.
Oh, okay, then I'm fine with it.
That escalated quickly.
That's it, guys.
I'm gonna.
Wait, don't summon it yet, bro.
Here's the end of the
Yo, he's
server.
getting- Oh, never mind.
All right,
Yeah,
guys.
are about.
Wait.
All right, guys. I'm
guys are
ready
about
to
to
fight
witness the end
someone.
of a server.
Okay? I want to
You know
fight
this is gonna
someone.
destroy the
Oh.
server.
I came here to fight Goko, but
Who
clearly
cares? It's
he
fine.
is too weak and is too
This is
scared
Jason's-
to actually
No,
get fought.
no.
Towards the water pillar, the humongous water
I don't
pillar.
have a bow, by the way, so it's all up to you guys.
Oh, I don't have one either. Dang it.
He actually did it. He actually did
Oh,
it.
he summoned the whistle.
Here we go, boys!
Oh my
We're
God.
having some sort of battle today!
This is Jason's villain arc, dude. Seriously.
Bro, no!
Attack.
I said
I got
Oh,
it.
he immediately targets me. Okay,
The
thanks.
fireworks.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Oh, my game is lagging. Oh my
Thanks,
god.
dude.
Let's fight this thing, boys!
Wait, I don't have a way out.
Claudia,
Oh,
I'm
he's
seeing-
above
I
me.
gotta get my bow.
Just running around, you know. This really escalated
Oh my God,
into
this is
something
dying
entirely
quickly.
different.
Let's
Oh
go,
my God.
boys! Kill this
My
thing!
God. Oh.
Oh,
hit him with
everybody
the
go in! Go in, go in, go in!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Stop bullying me! I'm being bullied!
Dude,
I
being
just killed her in the
so
one
quickly.
accident!
I got bullied. What's my stuff?
Oh my god.
Did he blow up my stuff or did someone pick it up?
Oh, I don't
Hey,
think I
killed
got
it.
any.
Is it already
Oh,
dead?
It's already dead.
Can you spawn more?
So who
Oh,
has my
come
stuff?
Who has
I
Colin's
think
stuff?
he shot it, like, right here, but I'll give you this.
Oh, so Colin
Oh,
lost his
thank you.
stuff.
Alright,
Yeah.
Boomman. Ask Major Cat to
Oh,
ban
and this, and
Luke.
this.
He said he's fine if he gets banned.
Anyways, when do you guys want to have the
Who has a
talent show?
netherite shovel?
I don't know, you do.
That's
I-
my
Well,
favorite shovel, I think.
I